Defects of Rutherford model. It contradicted electrodynamic theory. According to this theory, the negatively charged revolving electrons lose energy and its orbits become smaller. Therefore, electrons will fall into the nucleus, thereby making the atom unstable. According to this model, the number of electrons in different orbits are not fixed, and Rutherford model could not explain the spectral lines of hydrogen atom. Now let's know about the atomic number. Atomic number is numerically equal to the positive charge on the nucleus or the number of the electrons in the case of neutral atom. For example, atomic number of oxygen is 8. It means that it occupies 8th position in the periodic table and its nucleus contains 8 positive charge and 8 electrons in its orbit. Moseley, an English physicist, in 1913 developed a method of determining atomic number which is based on the measurement of X-ray spectra of the elements. He bombarded different elements with cathode rays and found that the frequency of X-rays emitted was characteristic of the element bombarded. He selected the rays with greatest frequency for an element and plotted a graph of a square root of their frequencies against the atomic number. The graph obtained was a straight line, that is atomic number proportional to under root frequency of X-rays. This is Moseley's law. Since X-rays frequency of an element depends on the internal structure of the atom, the atomic number should be a fundamental characteristic of the atom. But when the same frequencies are plotted against atomic weight, no such relationship is obtained. Now, since the frequency of X-ray emitted by each element depends on the internal structure of the atom and consequently the atomic number, the latter must be an important property of the atom. The fact that no two elements can have the same atomic number though they have the same atomic weights, also called isobars. For example, potassium, its atomic number is 19 and atomic weight is 40, and calcium, its atomic number is 20 and atomic weight 40. Moreover, an element can have different atomic weight but can have only one atomic number, which is called isotopes. For example, hydrogen atomic number 1 but atomic weight 1, 2, 3. Hence the atomic number and not the atomic weight is the fundamental property of atom.